another time, in another place, you would be mine. On a brighter day, under a different sky, maybe we fly. Good girl, I knew you were a good girl. You're all I ever fought for. Can I lose it all? Yes, I was in the wrong place at the wrong time with the right one. Now you think you're trying.
This is my newfound favorite song, Why Smino, which made me love him currently. Pizza on the way, baby. I'm trying to lay, hey. I bought a bouquet of tree fire. You know what? I get it already. We're on to the next spot. It was good. What I got was the vegan taco, so it's like a tofu scramble situation, and then I got hash and a cup of fruit. Tacos were good, and I put all like the little pico with like the little jalapenos, and they give it a little crunch, a little spice. It was good, but they didn't have matcha, and I'm not doing coffee. Now I'm going to Eden, which is the coffee shop that sells plants. There's plants everywhere. I can't wait for y'all to see it. 11:12. It's 11:17. I got a good amount of stuff done. I updated my Amazon storefront. If you have not followed me on my Amazon storefront, I think you should do so. Anyways, just wanted to say hey. Okay, bye. So let's talk about this being my new favorite restaurant, because hold on, yeah, let's talk about it because it's my new favorite restaurant. Like I said, amazing. It's in the Heights. I don't know if I told y'all, but it's called Ginger Mule. The Ginger Mule. It's off of West 19th. It's in the same plaza as like a Hop Dottie and a Ginya. And I loved it. I got the crispy cauliflower, as y'all seen, and the coconut curry. Sun is currently setting. So beautiful outside. I've decided I want to go for a walk. I sat here and kind of played on my phone and did some posting after my client. I'll insert a picture of my girl Aaliyah here and some videos. I am going to go for a little nightly walk and hopefully catch the sun before it goes completely down. Just wanted to say hi and bye. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Hey y'all, my energy is just so not together. A PR package from this brand. Let's see, let's open her up. So my little PR package. Thank you so much, Plant Made. I haven't washed my hair, so it's like time to do something with it. This is what my hair looks like. It's not all the way dry, but she's definitely very like hydrated. That's the only like big difference. But if I touch my hair right now, it's gonna be oil galore. Like maybe I put too much, but I don't know. We'll see how she lasts throughout the day. But we're getting ready to head out. Y'all have probably seen this outfit before, but Zara, what are these from? I want to say Forever 21 or Rue 21, something of that nature. My Vera. And yeah, I need to get something to eat, but I have a pottery class tonight, which I'm so excited for. Notebook, I need to brainstorm. Also, these are my brand notebooks. I'm still doing like some test runs on them, but like this is what they would look like overall. A CEO, because she's a CEO. And stuff coming as well. We're still just working out the kinks with all of that and like me getting the product that I actually like, but that is what is in the works for Beauty Babe collection. I'll put it down here. If you haven't checked out the site, you should do that. I have an ebook that's currently out. I have a product list that's currently out, and then I also have just like a small little content calendar for you guys. Yeah, we're getting ready to head out. Today's October 4th and the battery's dying. That's amazing, isn't it? I guess I'll use my other camera. Hopefully she's charged. Okay, bye. About to head to Ginger Mule, which is probably about to be my new favorite restaurant, vegan restaurant. It's in the Heights. I've been there twice to get their coconut curry. I wanted to go yesterday to do their cacao ceremony because I don't know any other place that does it, and so yeah, we're gonna do that. I need to get back here. I need to get back home by 2, and it's 11, 12, 1. I got a good 3 hours, and then like by 2 I need to be headed back home because I have a client for 4. So yeah, this is the outfit. Nothing spectacular. I'm not gonna say nothing spectacular. She's cute. She's doing what she needs to do. I believe these jeans are from Forever 21. They're just like some really cute loose mom jeans because I'm currently bloated because I'm in my menstrual phase right now. So you know, we just gotta embrace it because she still looks good. Like a top from Aritzia. She's super cute. And then my Lululemon Align jacket I got in lime green because she's just cute. I love green. Green looks good on me. You know what I'm saying? Money looks good on me. You know what I'm saying? Plants look good. Like plants, green. That's my color. Speaking of that, also did not charge this camera, so I don't know how long she's gonna last. I'm gonna like do my best to talk and get off, period. Yeah, so I was showing the girls the new merch I got. We gotta go back to the drawing board on the hoodies. Can y'all see? It's too small, and I need to call my graphic designer and tell him to send me the I need the PNG. I need a transparent background in order for me to put these on hoodies. I'm gonna put the hoodie on, see if I like the hoodie though, like see if I like how the hoodie feels, but I don't like how it came out. I also got some candles. Yes, socks. I need socks because it's cold. If you need some good white socks, well, I'm gonna let y'all know if they're good or not, but if you need some good white socks, check out the Amazon storefront because that's where I get a lot of my stuff from. Grand Rising. I'm up. Go to the gym, get in the sauna, and jump rope a little bit, and then do a quick workout on this app that I use. My housekeeper's coming for 9:30, and it's 8:07, so I want to get back here by 9 so I can like be headed out the door when she gets here. Yesterday I did those little glute kickbacks, baby. I ain't never felt my booty sore in this place that they sore. So now we're making avocado toast. I already put my avocado in here. I squeezed half of a lemon in here. I put some black pepper in there. Love it if you'd focus. Thank you. Garlic powder. No salt added. That's always what we want to go for, is no salt added. We don't need all that extra salt, okay? Because it don't serve us in no kind of way. So we're gonna sprinkle on a little. If you a spicy hot tamale, you gonna put you a little crushed red pepper on there. Come on, please. I need the autofocus to like get with the program. Just do this one like this, and then mash it all up for you. Take it back to the old days. Hey, I'm just gonna keep recording. Like, I haven't edited anything, but I'm just gonna keep recording. I charged my phone last night, so I'm waiting for it to get just a little bit more juice. You'll stay the same, yeah. You've been there for me. Song spinning in my head. I want to sing, man. Like, I want to know how to, like, I know I have the ability to sing, but I don't know how to really catch the notes. Like, if somebody say, okay, this alto, okay, boom, this your note, it's hard for me to stay there and have everybody else singing, because I'm trying to sound like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? Sopranos going, tenors going. I don't know how to stay on. I don't know how to hear myself. I don't know how to know if I'm staying where I'm supposed to be at. I also know how to read music like on the piano. Well, I mean, I think all music's the same. I'm not sure. But I can't read music and say, okay, we finna do G, A, B, C, and I can sing that. So I'd love to know how to do that. Because I just be singing off this. Drum line, like, he can play it as long as he hear it, but when it comes to reading that music. So we're going to, I've never been up on the counter. Anywho, we're going for a walk. It's been raining the past 2 days. I'm hoping that the clouds go. I told the storm to pass. Storm, you can't last. You got to go away. I command you to move today. Where my God's peace. You don't have a choice in the matter. And that's what I told the storm. Yeah, having my gym shirt, cute little crop. I know I'm losing weight because this used to be like so super tight on me, and it's not anymore. The sun is out, y'all. I'm so excited. Just finished my client. We're going to ride our bike. We want to ride our bike, baby. And I don't know where I'm going, but I'ma just ride. Let's see what I get into. I don't know where I'm going. No, I really want to go to Buffalo Bayou. Like, I really want to go to that park and ride it. But y'all see the fit. We going with all green. I'm feeling green today. Got on my fanny pack, so when I'm riding, I can, you know, because I don't have a basket on my bike yet. So this is my Lululemon Align jacket. This is my, I hate when my hair be looking like flat like that. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, Aritzia. Free something. You'll see them. They come in all I need to get me a long one. Look at that. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I just had the idea to do that because the sun's out. I'm feeling good. I've been waiting for the sun to go out so I can ride my bike. So that's what we're about to go do. I just want to say hey. I'm headed out. See y'all when I see y'all. Just want to say hey. This is the fit. This is also Forever 21. It's old. Jewelry by Original Gallery. My boy Eli. He's that guy when it comes to this copper crystal wrapping jewelry. Oh, and my earrings too. He's just the trillest and the realest. So yeah, I just thought I said hey to y'all. I feel really cute. I tried to blow out my hair right here. I really tried to like blow out my hair, and then like I couldn't commit to the rest of my head, so it just really worked out for me. Because it was like really long back here, and then this is kind of short, but I've been pulling on it. Can't seem to find my pick right now, and I'm not gonna stress it either. That's my thing today. I'm not stressing nothing. Do you hear me? I'm not stressing nothing. Like, I went to the gym. Let's walk with me, walk with me. I went to the gym, and I was like, you know, I had on my little plan about what I was gonna do and all my workouts, and you know, it was going good. But towards the end, I was getting a little tired. But when it comes to gym machines, you know, it's a learning thing with that. And today, I just didn't feel like playing with it, because I was at the end of my workout. Basically, I didn't feel like playing with it. The movement wasn't feeling right, and I couldn't get stable for some reason. So I was like, you know what, we're good, we did it, it's all good. When the sauna, there was a lady that was laid out in the sauna. I was like, you know what, it ain't that serious, let's go. I'm not stressing it, okay? I'm not stressing it. So today it's just like not stressing. That's my intention, not stressing anything, just going with the flow, letting it flow, and just like feeling the vibes. Let me get it together so I can actually get out of the house. It's 10:10. Ooh. And yeah, I will see y'all when I get back. Love y'all to pieces. Bye.